Kimbaku Streetwear Joggers. What's up, DayMixers? I'm super excited today because since I started this YouTube channel, this is the first time I've received a free item. This item was sent to me by Raikago. So thank you, Raikago, for entrusting me with the mission to do a review of these dope pants. Raikago is an online clothing store which sells urban streetwear and techwear clothing, which is something that I like. So these pants took a while to get to New Zealand, and that's because it's due to the whole COVID-19 situation. Everything's delayed. But once I was able to get my hands on them, I was like, man, these are some good quality pants. Alright, enough talk, let's get straight to the details.
How's the pants?
You know, these pants actually remind me of those like futuristic sci-fi movies like The Cops. And you got the whole red and blue light sticks at the side. The first thing you notice that stands out on these pants are the big buckles. They have 8 buckles in total. So there's actually 4 buckles each leg, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. There are 3 different sets of straps here. First one is the one that hangs off the pocket. Another one is the one with the buckles on them. And the final one is the one in the inner thigh. The side cargo pockets both have text printed on it. Now for these pants, it has a total of 6 pockets. For the side cargo pockets, it's a open covering, but it does bear additional weight by having the straps hanging here. And for the side pockets, I would have preferred it to be a bit deeper because I have a rather big phone. I use the P30 Pro, and that's the same for the back pockets. The material feels like it's one of those silky finish material. Regarding the thickness of the pants, it's not one of those pants where you feel there's just like one single layer and it's paper thin. Some of the pants that I've unboxed are seriously paper thin, to the extent that they're see-through. The thickness is reasonable. The thickness is like my Yeezy Bounty pants that I've unboxed. Once again, the material is stretchy around the waist and leg area. Alright, so it's time to check these pants inside out. Just looking at the stitching, everything seems pretty standard, nothing really pops out. One thing that I did notice that was quite different was around the lower leg areas. If you look over here, you can see that there is an extra stretchy band stitched on the edges. I believe this creates a tighter look around the lower leg area. The interesting things you discover when you flip your clothing inside out. So let's do a quick comparison based on the sales photos and the product itself. Now I gotta say that in terms of quality, they're actually pretty close. I doubt that you get a drop in expectation. It's not one of those items where you saw the photo and it looks real good, so you went ahead with the purchase, but once the item has arrived, you're like, ugh. But this is not the case. I think these are one of my go-to pants now, and it's definitely one of those pants that would stand out more in front of the crowd, so if that's something you're into, do check them out. Once again, thank you Raikago for sending these pants to me, and guys, I got a lot more videos coming soon, so stay tuned, stay safe, and DayMixer out!